there are three parts. If you follow these three parts, you can learn English, you can speak English. First part, first point is speak English. Second point, learn tenses. If you don't know tenses properly, you cannot speak English. Understand? So what do you do at home? Like, you just attend my lecture here, go to home and do your other works at home. Like, do your homework, learn your answers. But what is most important, that what I am teaching you English, and the important thing is tense. Understand? Tense is the backbone. Like, in our body we have a backbone. Like, you know about backbone. Our whole body depends on it. If backbone breaks off somebody, understand, he cannot walk properly. In the similar way, if your tenses are not okay, if you don't know tenses, if you don't know the rules, you cannot speak English. Understand? But what happens, like, after learning tenses also, you need to speak English for longer time. After that, you are perfecting English. So if you are not learning tenses properly, forget that you can speak English. Understand? So what you have, like, I know that you cannot speak English with each other because most of the students cannot speak English. In your classes, your teachers are speaking English with you. But I am teaching you here. I am teaching you spoken English. But my first task is, first of all, clear your basics until मतलब जब तक you cannot learn tenses, आप tenses नहीं सीखते, I cannot move forward. I cannot teach you second chapter of fluency. Understand? So I have taught you only 4 tenses. So this is not difficult to learn 4 tenses. Understand? You have plenty of time. There is no, you can say, hurry. There is no timeline that in 1 week learn the tense, in 2 days learn the tense. You have so many days. Understand? So today what you have to do, go at home, learn. First of all, take the future tense. This is my suggestion. Learn future tense fully. I will go, I will not go, will you go, when will you go. Is it difficult? It is so simple, but you don't practice. Go at home, and next time when I will come in your school on next Saturday, I want to see everybody fully perfecting future tense only. Look at me, after teaching all the tenses, I am revising. Understand? I stopped on the last topic of should have. I didn't teach you further things. Did I teach you anything other? Any other chapter? No. I stopped there because I want that when you will be perfecting tenses, then I will move forward to next lesson. Is it okay? Do you understand? Can you do this or not? Can you? There are some students here. They are very, very intelligent, very clever, smart. This is very easy for them. I know from your faces, you know yourself also. These are the students, they can learn fully. So next time, come with full preparation. Understand? I will make you stand. मतलब मैं आपको एक खड़ा करूँगा. I will make you stand one by one. Give you sentences in Hindi, and you will have to translate them into English. Understand? That's why I am coming in your school. There is no other purpose than this. I want that you must be perfect. So sole only thing is get perfecting tenses. Understand?